Most people get their privacy settings wrong by leaving personal info exposed, but the surprising truth is you can easily hide your birthday on X, formerly Twitter, to protect your privacy. Today, they'll show you step by step how to do it. Start by opening the X app or visiting the website on desktop. Navigate to your profile, then click or tap Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Birthday section. Here, X allows you to control who sees your birthday, everyone, only people you follow, or only you. To hide it completely, select Only Me. Once selected, make sure to save changes. On mobile, tap Save, and on desktop, click Save at the bottom. Your birthday will no longer appear publicly on your profile, and X won't show birthday celebrations or notifications to your followers. Most people get this wrong by thinking deleting the birthday field is enough. X still stores the info unless you set it to private. This method ensures your birthday is hidden from the public, while keeping the option to display it later if desired. In conclusion, hiding your birthday on X is simple, but often overlooked. Adjusting your privacy settings protects you from unwanted attention or targeted ads. Most people get this wrong by ignoring privacy settings, so take control of your personal info today. Subscribe for more social media tips that help you stay safe, private, and in control of your online presence.